So hey there guys, and hello! Welcome back to my channel again. So today guys, I am going to show you on how to dropship from Taobao to Shopee. So disclaimer guys, this is a manual dropshipping. So the first thing we need to do is to have search these two websites. The Shopee Seller Center, you need to have this one, and then the Taobao. So here guys, you just need to tap on this one because this is the first step. After you tap this one guys, it will be loading. It will take some time guys, but you just need to wait for a little bit. And then right after this one guys, you'll be able to see here the Taobao platform, which is the language here is Chinese because this website is a Chinese website. So as you can see here guys, if you are not familiar of Chinese language, what you need to do is you just need to right click guys, and after that one is you'll be able to see their translate language. You can see here guys, and what can you see here now guys is it is not translated to English. And then here guys, you will be able to see here now, you cannot read it, I cannot read it guys. Then here are some variations of their products. So you can see guys, their products are really more in the China I guess. And as you can see here guys, you cannot buy a product if you will not sign in. So before anything else, you need to sign in guys. Again, if you can see this one guys, you just need to translate it into English if you cannot understand Chinese language. Here, you just need to log in if you have already an account, or so you can see here guys, if you don't have an account, just sign up for free. So you can see here guys, that one, just tap on that one. Then after that guys, you will be redirected to this page, user registration. And hold on guys, I will just make an account. Then right after that one guys is you will be redirected to this page saying congratulations on your successful registration. And that means guys that you can now buy your products, browse some products, or add to cart some products. So here guys, you are now able to have a product. So you just need to scroll down here, and you can see here, getting started. You can see here, open a shop for free, payment methods. And then what we need to do is we need to scroll up and find where is the product. So here we just need to click on this product categories to see what categories do you like. So here guys, you will be headed over here, and then just again translate it into English. And you will see here same market. And then in my case guys, I want to have a bags, so I'm up this bags, and then I will be headed over here to this page where there are plenty of bags. They're so beautiful guys, and I decided to pick this one. Maybe I will choose this black bag. Okay, and then after that one guys, you will be headed to the page about the variation of your products. You will be able to see here the different colors, sizes. So you can see here guys, you can also see here the video product guys. So you can see that one. Then here guys, you can also see here the price. Then right after that one is also this one, the shipping information. And then here are the colors, and then here You can also choose here the size if you want the large one or the small one. And then here is the buy it now button or the add to cart button if you are now ready to buy. So right after that one, guys, is if you scroll down a bit, you will see here the user's review. So as you can see here, guys, so this parameter information, graphic details are the very important part, guys, because we will use this on drop shipping. So here is the parameter information that will be transferred later to our Shopee store. So all you need to do later, guys, is to copy and paste, then go to your Shopee store. So here is the graphic details. So you can see here, guys, so go to the bottom part and then scroll up again. Then if you are now done, guys, you just need to proceed to your Shopee Seller Center. Then you just need to tap on this one. Then you will be redirected to this page where you will be filling in your basic information or your shop information and your business information. And this in this business information, guys, this requires a actual store, so you cannot sell a product here if you don't have a actual store, because Shopee is just making it sure that you are not a scammer or what. So you need to have a BIR certificate, business name, and then others like this one, the value added tax registration, and that's it, guys. But assuming, guys, that I am done filling in that, guys, so we can now proceed to the next step. And assuming, guys, that we are now successful in this part, which is the registration, so we will now proceed to the next step. So just imagine, guys, that this is where you will be headed over after you registered, guys. So here you will be able to see here the odd product, and then the fourth step, the basic information, the sales information, the third step is the shipping, and the last step is the others. So for the first step, guys, the basic information is you'll be able to see here the product image, and then the product name, and then, guys, you can also add a product video, and then the third is the category, and then the description. And for your information, guys, just a reminder that all of this, guys, is you just need to go back to the Taobao and then get the product image, the product video. All you need to do is to save the images there or copy some descriptions and then paste it on this product. So here, guys, is the sales information where you can see the attributes, the specifications, and the country of origin. So you are going to add this one, guys. So the third step is the shipping, where you will be adding the weight, the parcel size, and the shipping fee. So in this part, guys, the shipping fee it's up to you. And the most important part, guys, is this one, the orders. So you'll be able to see there the pre-order section. You just need to click yes and then specify the days you need to ship. So right after you receive an order from your customer, you just need to go back here to Taobao and then manually order it. You can either buy it now or add to cart. So you just need to buy it now, and then just remember, guys, that you need to put the address of your customer and not yours. And that's how the drop shipping works, guys. So this is how to drop ship from Taobao to Shopee. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.